Meet Mike the molecule. He's about to have a busy day, kind of like you, but with a lot more chemistry involved. It's time to hit the road. First stop, formulation. Mike's getting all mixed up with a few friends in our lab to find that perfect combination. And then off he goes into one of our GMP manufacturing suites, where he'll be developed into a liquid or a solid oral dosage form. Pure magic. Up next, Mike's off to non-clinical testing at one of our 4 North American non-clinical sites, where we conduct over 700 safety studies annually. He'll undergo all kinds of safety assessments like PK/PD, pivotal toxicology, safety pharmacology, you name it. Did he make the cut? Yep, he passed with flying colors. Next stop, clinical trials in one of our 3 strategically located clinical pharmacology units, where we have over 580 beds and complete over 285 studies annually. Mike's now racing through the human bloodstream, hoping to pass the next test. Data is being analyzed at one of our 3 co-located bioanalytical labs, where we process up to 700,000 samples a year, getting our sponsors the answers they need fast. Finally, it's time to scale up. Mike's been approved and is being transformed into a life-saving therapy at our North American CDMO facility. Mike's feeling good, and so is the patient. Mission accomplished.
And this is Altasciences.
From a humble molecule to a hero in just one day. Well, a very long day. Remember, next time you take that medicine, you've got a molecule like Mike to thank.